To learn how to build a recipe using data prep, let's build a recipe that combines product reviews from 2018 and 2019, cleans up the reviews, and detects the sentiment of each review. Before we begin, know that you must be assigned the Edit Dataset Recipes or Edit Analytics Dataflows user permission to create a recipe. Check out the online help to learn when to employ each user permission. Okay, now let's build the recipe. In Data Manager, click the Data Flows and Recipes tab, and then the Recipes subtab. To create a data prep recipe, click Create Recipe. The welcome mat appears the first time you open data prep. It describes key features and informs users about the tool. Let's ignore and close it. To build the recipe, first we add the source data. We'll start by adding one source object, the 2018 product reviews dataset. The selected columns section on the right shows all columns to include in the recipe. By default, all columns are selected. You can change the selections if needed. An input node appears in the graph for this data source. To combine 2019 product reviews with the 2018 reviews, add an Append node. Analytics automatically tries to match columns between the 2018 and 2019 reviews. Some matches are correct, and we can fix those that aren't. Let's map the product code column to the product ID column, and fix the incorrect mapping for the product column. The Append node is added to the graph. The preview for the selected Append node shows that the product code is missing for the first two rows, so we enrich the data using our Smart Predict Missing Values transformation. You can add transformations in a transform node. Add that node now. To apply the transformation on the product code column, first select the column and then select Predict Missing Values from the Transform toolbar. Because there's a one-to-one relationship between a product code and its name, we can use the product column to predict the missing codes. The product column provides the product name. Analytics writes the results to a new column labeled Product Code Predict, and it retains the original column also. Click Apply. The new Product Code Predict column doesn't yet show the predicted values. They're to be determined, or TBD. To see them, you must run the recipe. Next, let's detect the sentiment of the product reviews in the Review Comments column. Analytics writes the reviews to a new column labeled Review Comments Sentiment. These values are also TBD. Click the Collapse button to view the graph again. Before you run the recipe, specify where to write the final results. Add an output node to write the results to a dataset labeled All Product Reviews Final. We won't enter the API name. If we don't specify it, Analytics will create the API name based on the label. Save the recipe and give it a name. And now run the recipe to see the dataset with the final results, including replacement values for those TBDs. The new Product Code Predict column shows the predicted product codes. Analytics also generated the sentiment for each product review. Data Prep offers many more capabilities to clean and enrich your data. Check them out when you get a chance. To learn more, check out these resources, or join us on the trail at trailblazer.salesforce.com.